So today we're going to take a look and see how to make that a lot neater. So I have these really nice cord covers. All they do, you put your cords in and you just zip them up at the bottom and they hide all this mess you'll see in front of you. So let's do it. So you just get all your cords in there and zip them up. So you tell me what looks neater, that or the big mess of cords before. So awesome. There is no fumbling with ties. No Velcro straps, no nothing. It's all one little nice neat bundle. You can still pull your cords out if you need to get a little extra length or anything. Very nice, very nice. Keep everything nice and clean. Keep your cords clean. Keep them out of the way. Just what a great invention. And the pack comes with 4, so that if you have more than one computer, which most households do, you'll have plenty to use for whatever you want. Of course, they're not just for computers. You can use them for TV wires, DVD wires, whatever you need. So, what a great